Hello, welcome to Crafty Chaos headquarters again today. It's Beverleigh here over looking at my little grandson Jack, who's down for the weekend from Newcastle to visit his nana and his granddad for Father's Day, and he's currently making a card for his great granddad because he's already done granddad's and his daddy's. So can we have a little wave, Jack? Hi. Okay, let's see what you're doing. What are you colouring in now?
Gloves.
Oh, that's looking really nice. I like the way you've coloured that bat. Brilliant. So, he's checking his colours out before he goes for it. And then he's going for it. So, that's it from Crafty Chaos headquarters for today. Over and out. Wave bye-bye, Jack.